KPRC2 is here to help. We've got a list of resources right now for anyone who is pregnant and may not know what to do. Just head to click2houston.com, or you can scan that QR code there on the bottom of your screen.
Recently, I sat down with the medical director of Planned Parenthood Gulf Coast and the executive director of the Houston Pregnancy Health Center. They both tell me the separate work they do at their facilities continues to try to reach as many girls and women as possible who may be in a crisis situation and don't know where to turn.
Nobody wants to be in the situation where they're having to make a devastating, I don't even know if I want to call it a choice or a decision, but getting to the place where they feel like their only solution is to dump their child.
In a span of 3 months, officials say 6 babies were found abandoned across Harris County. This map shows where those babies were left.
People who are younger are more scared. You know, they are more likely to not recognize their pregnancy early on.
In your experience, does something like this disproportionately affect communities of color?
Absolutely.
Okay, can you talk about that?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that, you know, when we're talking about resources, when we're talking about fear of criminalization, when we're talking about all of those things, those are going to impact communities of color, people who are marginalized, people who are living without documentation.
Dr. Beasley believes it's about getting women and girls to the right resources. At Planned Parenthood Gulf Coast, they have access to a full medical staff, sex education, contraception, birth control, prenatal care, as well as termination.
If you don't want to be pregnant, how can we help people to not be pregnant? How can we help them access abortion in a safe, legal way?
The goal is for these shelves to be empty. I'm like, let's empty the shelves. Empty the shelves, give the baby items away.
Sylvia B. Johnson, executive director at the Houston Pregnancy Health Center, has helped girls and women through their pregnancies for more than 40 years.
My heart is really breaking for the babies that were abandoned, but I would somehow like for women in the city of Houston to know that we will be there and we support you throughout your pregnancy.
The Houston Pregnancy Health Center has 4 locations in the city and 2 medical mobile vans. All of their services are free. Free exams, ultrasounds, baby supplies, and rides to appointments.
We have to educate and let women know what is available. Where can you go?
And if moms don't want to parent the baby, they also help with adoptions.
We have an adoption educator that comes in and talks with her and goes over that process. If she chooses not to continue the pregnancy, that doesn't eliminate her from our services. Now, we don't pay for abortions, we don't refer for abortions, but it will not eliminate us from helping her.
Now, bottom line, if you or someone you know is in a desperate situation, if you are in a denial of your pregnancy or just don't know what to do, whatever the circumstance, there is help for you. You can call Planned Parenthood, call the Houston Pregnancy Health Center. It is confidential. And again, we have an entire article of resources on whatever your case or decisions may be. You are not alone. There is help out there for you. Just go to click2houston.com.